Hi, I'm Tang Jifeng from Product. I'll share interlining product knowledge today. First, I want to talk about woven and non-woven interlining. Woven interlining is produced by machine weaving. Whether it's a rapier loom, selvage loom, or original loom, yarn is always used during the weaving process. This fabric, woven by machine and processed with adhesive coatings, forms woven interlining. Non-woven interlining does not require weaving or yarn. Fibers are carded and pressed into fabric by needle punching, spun lacing, foam bonding, or hydro-entangling. On non-woven interlining, you can't see where any yarn starts or ends. Main woven interlinings include shirt interlining, waist interlining, hat interlining, robe interlining, plain woven interlining, twill woven interlining, overcoat woven interlining, warp knitted elastic polyester interlining, and spandex interlining. Shirt interlining is mainly for shirt collars, cuffs, and plackets. Generally, the collars of our shirts are stiff, so we use HF interlining. Our plackets are soft, so we use SF interlining. This material is an example of shirt interlining. Its surface features a glossy HDPE adhesive coating. When heated, the adhesive powder melts and seamlessly bonds to the fabric. Take a look at the shirt in my hand. The collar has interlining inside. Adhesive powder is fused with the fabric, giving the collar its shape. Common materials for shirt interlining include 100% cotton, polyester cotton blends, TC, or 100% polyester. Cotton interlining is generally paired with 100% cotton fabrics. TC interlining is usually used with TC fabrics, and the lowest quality all polyester interlining is used with all polyester fabrics. The piece I have in my hand is a soap interlining. For soapy interlining, we have double layer, double-sided, double layer, single-sided, single layer, single-sided, and single layer, double-sided types. Toby interlining is mainly used on the placket and collar of Arabic soaps, and it requires a very high level of stiffness. The main materials for Toby interlining are 100% cotton, TC polycotton, and 100% polyester. Cap interlining is mainly used in baseball caps and sun hats, while waist interlining is primarily used in the waistband of suit trousers. Their main characteristics are stiffness, firmness, and good resilience. The main materials are TC polycotton and 100% polyester. Here is an overcoat woven interlining with a surface covered in fine fuzz that feels velvety. When producing overcoat woven interlining, some customers require the edges to have warp yarns, whether white or black. This is a common request. Overcoat woven interlining is mainly used in suits, coats, plackets, and the front panels. Its weight typically ranges from about 65 to 170 grams per square meter. As for the material, we generally offer TC 65, 35, TC 80, 20, 100% viscose, or CVC 50-50. What I have here is a piece of twill coat interlining. Twill coat interlining is mainly used in coats, thick jackets, and outerwear, primarily in areas such as the front panels, pockets, and plackets. For twill coat interlining, our standard weights range from about 55 to 150 grams per square meter. As for colors, the main options are black and white. In terms of hand feel, we offer two types. One is resin, finished for a stiff hand feel, and the other is a regular soft hand feel. Plain woven interlining is mainly used with lightweight fabrics, especially summer chiffon fabrics, as well as dresses, light jackets, and similar garments. Plain woven interlining drapes well and doesn't fade. In the South Asian market we serve, colored options are more popular. The main specifications for plain woven interlining range from 20D to 75D by 75D. The 20D is extremely lightweight with excellent drape. but it is prone to snagging and requires higher quality fabrics, so it is generally used with high-end chiffon fabrics. For 50D, 75D plain woven interlining, colored varieties are the most common because the colors of plain woven interlining are vibrant. It is generally used more often in traditional ethnic clothing. Spandex interlining is a type of interlining woven directly on the loom, and it is elastic in all 4 directions. We offer fabric surface dyes in W pattern and O pattern. Spandex interlining can be made in various colors based on customer needs. It is mainly used as hat interlining, but can also be used in garments or embroidery patches. To prevent irritation from embroidery threads, it acts as a cover on top. Since spandex interlining is elastic in all directions, it is most commonly used with knitted fabrics. Warp knitted low elastic interlining is a type of interlining fabric made by warp knitting machines used on composite fabrics. It can also be cut into rolls for seam reinforcement. Warp knitted elastic polyester interlining is known for its good breathability, and it primarily comes in black and white colors. As for the woven interlining width, shirt interlining, waistband interlining, hat interlining, and robe interlining that we produce mainly have a width of 112 centimeters, and the standard packaging can be customized according to customer requirements. Our overcoat woven interlining, warp knitted elastic polyester interlining, twill overcoat interlining, and plain woven interlining are all 1.5 meters wide with standard packaging of 50 to 100 meters per roll. The main adhesive powder used for interlining, for shirt interlining, we typically use HDPE adhesive powder, which has an ironing temperature of 165 to 170 degrees Celsius. For waist, hat, and robe interlining, we usually use LDPE adhesive powder, pressed at about 150 degrees C. If there are no special requirements, our standard products use HDPE and LDPE. If specific needs arise, we can use EVA low temperature, PA, or PS adhesive powder. For twill woven interlining, plain woven interlining, overcoat woven interlining, warp knitted elastic polyester interlining, spandex interlining, we usually use PA glue or PES glue. PA glue mainly looks better in glossiness, and PES glue looks milky white. These 2 types of products can still be distinguished